So we've bagged ourselves a new spot. It's cool, isn't it? Yeah. Romantic night for two. Watching the stars. Oh yeah, for three. Can't forget you, can we, Lulu? Did you have a walk on the beach? Did you get some stones and sticks?
I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong?
I mean, is this not the most beautiful sunset you have ever set your eyes on?
Red sky at night, angel delight.
And the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
What a life, eh?
This dog's crazy.
Ik neem die mee. I'm taking her, she said.
I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
Is it good?
When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here.
Merry Christmas!
I saw you.
Oh my days. Is it good?
And the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel
Bye! We love you. I'll never forget you.
you'll be the last one I think about.
Bye, guys.
The last one I think about.
Woo! Did you have fun?
That's so cool, that babe.
Did you enjoy it?
Not at first, but then yeah, you get used to it. My hands are cold still. Oh, I'm just gonna dry now in the sun. Actually, it feels nice now, Dale. Are you getting used to go back in? Yeah. Is that what you're doing? Yeah. Good.
Are you going back in?
Yeah.
So while boys will be boys, I got on with my editing before eventually, look who shows up. Hello, you lot.
Fancy seeing you guys here.
Hi. Hi. How are you, darling? Hello.
How's it going, man?
Before we set off, Nick and Jen sent us a little list of things they've run out of. So we've brought them a little Christmas care package, Branston pickle and hot chocolate. We'll go this way. Merry Christmas.
You absolute legend.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Package ever.
And a beautiful location.
I know, right? So we spent the evening watching the sunset until eventually getting our heads down so we're well rested, ready for the next road trip. I do. Nick's just said I take him to all the good spots, don't I, darling?
I was on a nice motorway and she brought me on this.
I don't know what's happened. Wait, it is, it says it was the quickest route. It's not my fault we're on dirt road. Oi, stop swearing.
We've done 15 minutes, we've done 3 miles.
Tarmac's coming, babe. We're alright. Oh, I think we're about to enter a main road. A quick stop at the petrol station and we see these guys again. Mwah. Take care, guys.
Enjoy yourself. Don't worry too much.
We will. Out the stones. So I don't know if you can hear me well enough over this water. Where we're parked up is actually really calm because it's in like a little bay and a harbour. But when you come out of the walls of that little bay, it's yeah, them waves aren't quite as quiet as they are over there. My head's crazy too. Right. Our journey begins right here. Doesn't it, darling?
Yeah, you're going to come along with us from now.
Yeah. Oh, we just got caught by the water again. So we're hoping to be in Morocco within a matter of days. I've had my wobbles and I'm sure I'll be honest about them as they come up. At the moment, I'm just getting flashbacks of our last trip in Morocco, which I think has given me some serious form of PTSD, so I'm really struggling with that at the moment. But I really want to push through like all those anxieties because I know what's at the other side and I know we're going to be fine. It's just, yeah, it's very like, well, scary really. Scary, and I just feel like I need to push through this. If I don't push through this, then I won't be able to go travelling, full stop, because this risk is always going to be here. So, in order to keep seeing places like this, I need to get over my fear, because this one's going to be fine, aren't you, darling?
Yeah.
So, anyway, we're here for one night. We're in Estepona, so we're a matter of about an hour from Algeciras. So, tomorrow morning we leave to go to Gibraltar, do one night there, New Year's Eve, and then New Year's Day I think we're going to be travelling, right?
Possibly, yeah.
Or the 2nd, we'll see.
Chasing the sun.
Yeah. Right, so this morning we've woke up, decided that instead of just staying one night, we were going to do an extra night here, spend New Year's Eve in Estepona, because we're not really New Year's Eve people anyway. We're not normally, well, I'm not normally awake past 10 anyhow. So we were just having a coffee then, and the police just turned up. Anyway, they didn't come over to us and speak to us or anything like that. But just down the way, they were speaking and arguing with some people. So now they've just, as they came back to the car, which was parked right outside, I said, hola, being all good morning. And they said, you must move 1 hour, move. And I was like, okie dokie.
Tell them why.
Yeah, so apparently the reason being, we've just spoken to an English couple here, in fact they're just leaving now, who said that basically the vans all down that end have all got tables and chairs and God knows what else set outside the van. These guys, apparently they've been here for the last few New Years because they have friends who live here, and they said the police always come and say you're fine to stay, just no tables, no nothing outside. If you want to get your chairs out, you go over onto the beach, which is fair enough, and with, you know, there's rules like that in most places in Spain. However, yeah, they weren't having any of it with anyone. We've got nothing outside our van, but yeah, we've got an hour to move on. I was just drinking my morning brew.
I know, yeah.
Nick's been bitten to pieces, bless his little heart.
Yeah, we just killed
We have killed 2 mosquitoes that have literally been feasting on you all night, haven't they?
Bit more on my face.
After us saying how warm it was, I think that's obviously why, isn't it? And we're right near the water, but yeah, he's got like lumps coming up all over. So
it looks like we're walking around Gibraltar in the rain.
no, because look.
Yeah, but that's not Gibraltar, is it?
Well, we'll see, won't we?
So guys, you can come to Gibraltar with us.
Yeah, you're coming. Are we ready?
We're ready.
We're ready. The way I think of this is that everything happens for a reason. We ain't supposed to be here right now, so let's move on, eh? Are you ready, Lulu? She's not going to be happy because Gibraltar's the next stop and there's no beach there for her to play on. Or not near where we're parked anyway. Cool, look how bad the weather's been.
That was only after about an hour's worth of rain.
I mean, there are a heck of a lot of full-timers here, which makes it really weird because obviously they're not moving on. But we are, seems so. Oh, we're going up the Dodge way. Turns out we didn't take you with us to Gibraltar, but we did these few quality pictures ready for the customs so that we had no problem with our return. Oh, and an awesome fella in town decided he wanted to take some pictures of us too. Right, so we've travelled over from Gibraltar after spending New Year's Eve and it was a bit crazy there. It literally sounded like we were in a war zone. Excuse my hair. We've got natural dreadlocks going on and they're very fresh and new, so you just got to rock this look. But yeah, we left Gibraltar, New Year's Eve there. We were in bed, or I was certainly in bed and asleep by, I'd say, about 10. But then got woke up by the immense amount of fireworks going off in the area. It was absolutely nuts. But yeah, we have drove over to Algeciras now. Ready, because it's New Year's Day, everything's closed, so we're here ready for tomorrow when everything opens. We need to go to the vet, go to Piff, go to Carlos and get on the damn boat. That's the plan. So the only thing is that's maybe making me feel a little bit nervous about going. I've already expressed to you my feelings on the fact that I am quite nervous about going away. Is Nick is covered in bites.
We got bit by about 35 times.
He got bit, yeah, about 35 times in one night was found. But not only that, they're on his face. He's got, like, I'll show you in a minute. But they are all down his back. It's just really bad. We've been putting Afterbite on and he's been taking Piriton to try and bring them all down. But today the ones in his face have actually come down a little bit. So hopefully it'll be all right. And tomorrow will be even better. So the plan is to do all the paperwork and everything tomorrow and then head over to Morocco on Friday morning, and we're going to get as early a ferry as we can. So we know what happened last year with regards to the fact that it took ages. So our thoughts are, if we take an earlier boat, then we'll get there earlier, get through security earlier, hopefully, and then get on our way, and then we can put some miles in.
You'll show me some bites.
I will show you the said bites, definitely. It's really shitty. I do feel really sorry for him. Right, it's here. Can you see this one on his face here? This one. Yeah, eyebrow, and that eyebrow. Massive one, so this is the entire area of this one. And behind this here. And I'm not even going to make him take his top off because you can see them all. Look at them all. He's covered in them. And they're all over his legs as well, aren't they, darling? And your arms.
My toes, my fingers.
On your biceps.
Yeah, on my hand.
His hand's swollen as well. He's in the wars, isn't he? What are we going to do with you?
Look, that one there.
I'm looking. We can see him.
Yeah. Bring Piriton and bring...
Afterbite.
Yeah, got horns.
You look like, is it like Hellboy or someone like that? Yeah. What are you doing?
Seeing if I'm all pretty again.
So you're going to clear them by Friday, yeah? 2 days to clear them.
Don't know, just bloody itchy.
Overdosing on Piriton. Oh, look at your dance. I'm loving the dance.
Yeah, I remember it being here last year in the car park, do you?
Yeah, so this is where we are, parked at the old thingy centre over there. Tienda Animal is where we'll be going to the vets tomorrow. So watch this space. Hopefully everything will go nice and smoothly.
I'm ready for Morocco.
For Morocco.
For the camels.
We ain't going on a camel again, Nick. Ain't happening.
No.
From here.
Definitely not.
No, my arse hurted for
I was like that
days.
walking around for about 2 hours.
Right.
Yeah, another thing, if you're going to do a camel ride, don't do an hour, just do a 10-minute one, because after 10 minutes, you're like... Yeah. So honestly, I'm not kidding, 10 minutes is what you need to do. Get your quick picture, get off.
Yeah, get on, picture, get off.
And get a pair of these as well, because you're going to need them, because you're going to be sore.
What are they going to do to stop you being sore?
You can stretch your legs better with these, can't you?
Ah, I see, when
So
you
if
get
you've got
off.
a pair of jeans on or something, you can only get, like, say there's your legs with a pair of pants, a pair of jeans, and then these harem pants. You just
Look at the space.
You just hang them one side or the other.
Check out all your activity space in there.
Yeah.
Woo! Activity space. That's it for this week, guys. Join us next time to see if all my worrying was worth it. Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count.
That's Jenny.
Always the taunt. What did you do? Are you alright? Oh no, did you hurt yourself?
Get out of my face. Not really, no. I hurt myself hitting my head on this.
Oh god. Oh dear.
Have
I swallowed it?
That's going to be a great thumbnail.
Is it for YouTube or for personal? Come on, say Jenny. I will need a glass, Jenny.
So Nick's trying to get Luna to howl.
No, that's lie down. Right, come on, back up. Nearly. No, you nearly did it then. Back it. No. Right, don't shout. No. No, that's barking. No, I don't want you to lie down. No, that's shouting. No, not lie down. Come on. Ready? No, that's barking. No. Get up. No, get up. No. Yes. Kiss.
What's this? I don't know, but it's coming back. Who taught you that?
This boy.
Have you had a wee yet? So, good morning. This... I don't even know. Okay, I don't know why I'm feeling like this. It's stony here. No! It's really stony here, Nick. Here's me poo again.
Blooper reel.
Anyhow, mwah, good night.